Hey guys, welcome to Under the Domain. My name is Shane, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways that you can actually make an extra 500 to 1,000 bucks in the next 60 days. Now, this tactic is not for the faint of heart. It involves the whole idea of you building a website. But before I discuss that, and I'm not going to make this video too long, I want you to subscribe to this channel, click on the bell. That way, anytime I am uploading a video on domaining hacks that you can use today, you'll be notified immediately. All right, so let's begin. So what I like to do is build a website, a single page website, and ultimately sell that website to a business. And I will include a domain in that business and sometimes emails. So for example, if you're in Texas or if you're in some city in the United States or Canada, I live in Canada, so this could be applicable anywhere in North America. What you want to do is do a quick search on a niche that you're interested in targeting. So it could be dental practices, chiropractic clinics, physiotherapists, dental implants, all this kind of stuff. So all these types of businesses. Once you find a niche, then what you want to do is see what kind of ads those companies are placing. If they're placing ads, chances are they have money to spend on advertising, getting more traffic, all that kind of stuff. But what you want to do is you want to target companies at the beginning that don't have a website. That's right. It is possible to find a business. I found one last night. It was a liquor store, and they actually just have a Gmail account, which there's nothing wrong with that, but they own 14 locations. So I'm in the process of working with them on the concept of getting their own website, how to do all that kind of stuff. So that's one way. You reach out to businesses that do not have any websites, and that to me is the low-hanging fruit. Once you do that, you can actually buy the .com address that's related to their company that will help them get traffic. So you build the page. If you don't know how to do this, I will refer to a few links in my description as to some videos that you can watch. I would just follow guys like Neil Patel. This guy is a search engine optimization master. So follow his videos. But for now, you want to target a niche, build a single page website, approach that company, and then because you bought the domain as well, you can make a sample. And why I say it takes 30 to 60 days is because you want to build a nice page. And if you're not comfortable with approaching that company right away, what you can do is create a directory. So it's a type of directory. So for example, I bought a domain called, what's it called? Best Cochrane Wine. So I'm in the process of building that up, .com, and I'm going to make it almost like a little directory for people that are looking for wine in my town. And then that way they'll see other companies, other wine stores. They will see articles about wine, how to pick a good wine, how to savor the flavor, what to look for, what's the difference between cheap wine and expensive wine. Where does the wine come from? Like, is it from BC? Is it from the States? Is it from South America? What is the best wine? So And those are articles that you can find on other people's websites. And then all you do is you would create an article in your words, summarizing another article, and then create a link that takes people to that website. That way, if they want to read the full article, they can do that. So you can also go a step further and create a YouTube channel around the whole topic. So for example, if I created a YouTube channel around best Cochrane wine, again, in my YouTube channel, I could be talking about what to look for in a wine. And I'm not a wine connoisseur. I'm not a wine expert. We did buy a couple of bottles of wine last night. Cheap wine. But I bought one of these. This is Jacob's Creek, just to usher in the new year. And then this is another type of wine right here, Gallo family. This is actually not too bad, but I actually like this one a little bit better. It's a rosé. And then I also bought this one here. This is Moscato. This one's actually not too bad too. Very nice. So just to celebrate New Year's Day. So what were the 3 things that I mentioned? Oh yeah, build a website, make it like a directory, and then you can also build a YouTube channel around that as well. Why I say it takes 30 to 60 days, because it's going to take you a little while to build up some proper search engine optimization with backlinks and all this kind of stuff. And then you can actually flip this website and sell it to a liquor store, a wine boutique, or something like that. And they get access to all that traffic, and you just transfer the domain over to their business. So when somebody types in, for example, Cochrane wine, best Cochrane wine, they'll see all the articles and backlinks. And if they want to buy wine, they can click on the link and it'll actually take them to a liquor store that bought that domain. And you can sell this for like $500, $1,000 or more. But this is a process that you can do over and over again, and just pick a niche. And you know, if it's wines, there's a lot of stuff going on with wines. There's pictures that you can make. There's all kinds of stuff with articles. And yeah, like, I know I'm rambling a little bit, but it's early in the morning right now. It's very early. It's not even 7 o'clock in the morning. So I thought I'd make a quick little video. I hope this helps. If you don't know how to do any of that, like I said, go search social media influencers like Neil Patel, and there's a few others out there that you can learn from and model after and follow and all this kind of stuff. But if you do this, if you build one website, let's say it takes you a week to build this website with links and all this stuff, you can actually link that website to your main page as well, to your business of flipping, buying and selling domains. And eventually you're going to get ranked a little bit higher as well on your website. And then that way, when people go to see your website, maybe they're looking up, you know, maybe they're a brand new business and they want to buy a domain. They're not sure if they should use GoDaddy, HostGator, 1-in-1, all this kind of stuff. You can actually help them out, and you can actually charge them for helping them out, and then just offer your services. Say, hey, you know what, I can do this all for you. I can build you a website. I can help you get that all started. I can get you some backlinks, all this kind of stuff to help you get some organic traffic, and then you can upsell them with your services. And like I said, this would be a long form. This is not something that you can do overnight. This will take you a little while. Take you a little while to master the craft of building a website quick, and then letting it start building up in the rankings on Google. And then with time, eventually you can flip that website. But imagine doing that one website like this every single month, and you charge $1,000 times 12, that's $12,000. If you charge more, that's 24. If you build 4 websites in a month, all of a sudden you're looking at over 40 grand. That's just one tactic, one strategy that you can implement. And I would encourage you to start doing that as well. So I hope this helps. Hope I didn't ramble too long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.